Welcome to J&K Home Furnishings. I'm John Hanna.
And I'm Rebecca Wallace, a designer here at J&K.
And today we'd like to talk with you a little bit about our in-home design process.
We've got a great staff here. It's so simple to either call in and book an appointment. All of our designers' photographs and biographies are on our website, or stop into any of our locations at any point and meet our great staff. Our team has excellent design skills and expertise. Lots of experience in both commercial design, residential, small projects, large projects. I'd highly recommend booking an appointment today to meet with one of them.
And like Rebecca said, there's no project too big or small. Whether you want to stop by and bring a snapshot of your living room and ask us, what kind of lamp do I need on this table? Or whether you want to take advantage of our in-home design services with our one-time charge of $250, we'll be glad to come out, scale you out a floor plan, make fabric, paint, color, coordinations and consults. And then when you spend your budget of $5,000 or more, the design fee is refundable.
And don't forget, we don't always have to come out to the home. We have many customers who are in the building process where the home won't be completed for a year or more.
Absolutely.
We can work with the builder's plans to create a comprehensive floor plan for any space in the home or the entire house. It's a great way to utilize our designers to their fullest potential and be sure that you're getting the best design space as far as fitting in the space when it's completed, and an overall comprehensive design.
And most of all, getting what you want.
Yeah, absolutely. Our designers have a great sense of style. We love traditional, modern, transitional, contemporary. Really, we've got products to showcase any number of your personal taste and style.
The important thing is to let us know how we can help you. Is this a small, quick task that you can shoot into one of our stores and us give you an honest opinion, sell you an accessory and send you on your way? Or is this something that we need to set apart a few hours for you and create you a project board, do you a presentation? Either way, we're happy to help here at J&K Home Furnishings.